that we want to do the extraction lab for next week. That is on Monday. We start, I think, with group 4, 6, and group 10. So first thing is we want to talk about the medicinal plant that we choose for the group 1 until group 6 is the motherwort. Okay, so for this raw materials, that is motherwort, I think we don't have any problem to get it, right? So because I think there are a lot of dry motherwort available in the market. Any comment? Okay, do you think you have any problem to get this motherwort?
No.
No? Okay, if no, then it's okay. Then this one is no problem. So, but then we go for the second one, that is Nilam Pandan for group 7 until group 12. Do you have any problem to get this?
For now, yes.
Mana saya kat mana chatting ni? Saya tak nampak. Because I'm presenting, so I cannot see the apa yang lain-lain. So, are you writing something at the chat box?
For now, we have problem to get Nilam Pandan, doctor.
Okay, if you have a problem to get this Nilam Pandan, so I would like to have a suggestion from you guys where what are the things you want to you want to get. Maltida, you said you can get it, able to get?
No, cannot. Nilam Pandan cannot. Because I don't know where to get it in Kuching, doctor.
Okay, so any suggestions from group 7 until group 10? Can you guys see my slide?
Yes.
Okay, group 7 until group 10. Your plan. Can I just put here better leaf? Is it okay? I think it's quite easy for you to get this better leaf. Our better leaf, I think I don't remember which group that suggests better leaf. Okay.
I think it was group 8. Yeah, the one who suggested the better leaf.
Group 8. Okay, yeah. Group 8. Anybody from group 8 here?
Me, doctor.
Siapa?
Andrea.
Andrea. So better leaf is what leaf this Andrea?
Daun sireh.
Daun sireh. If daun sireh boleh dapat tak? Senang kan? Banyak kan saya rasa?
Saya rasa boleh, doktor. Macam better dari Nilam Pandan.
Senang kan dapat? Banyak kan saya rasa dekat kampung-kampung orang tanam, orang jual pun banyak kan?
Ya, doktor. Better than Nilam Pandan.
Okay. So, group 1 until 6, motherwort. Group 7 until 12, better leaves. Agree or not? 7 until 12 talk.
Agree.
Okay, agree. Alright, so we settle that one. Okay, settle this one, motherwort and better leaves. So it's about the extraction. So I've read all your proposal regarding the extraction, and most of you suggested, I think only 2 groups, or if not mistaken, suggested different methods, but the rest of the group, you guys suggested using chocolate. correct? So, hold on. Okay, for this extraction method using chocolate, what you have, you have different parameters, okay, variables that you fix and variables that you going to change. I mean, you control. So in here, let's say I put it here, group 1 and group 2. Can you see my slide?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, let's say for group 1 here, the fixed variable for you is here is the no, the variable for you here is the extraction temperature. So it means that because I don't know yet what are the available chemicals, okay, that we have in the lab. So far what I know is you have solvent, ethanol, methanol, and ethyl acetate. That's what I requested from the lab assistant. Okay, so let's say what is available is ethanol. Okay, so it means that your solvent here is you fix it as 1 ethanol. Okay, and then for this it will be the same group 7 until 12 whoever is doing here yang saya tanda tik-tik ni, maksudnya it means that you have your variables is your temperature. It means you can vary your temperature at 2 different temperature. Let's say ethanol. Ethanol, the boiling point here, I put it 78, methanol 65, ethyl acetate 77. So you choose, let's say, temperature, okay. This one, I want you to study first, okay. And these two group, that is group 1 and group 2, and also group 7 and group 8, okay. Because it's the same temperature but different raw materials here. So it means that let's say you choose ethanol. Let's say example. So you choose 2 temperature, maybe 80, okay. And the other one, suggestion earlier, it depends on you, maybe 90. And the other group, okay, you choose a temperature also that is, okay. I'm not sure whether you can do it below the boiling point or not. Okay, I just put it here, okay. 80, 60, 80, and maybe here 70, 90. Okay, so you discuss among yourself, okay, group 1, 2, and 7, 8, because now here your variables are the temperature, okay. I want group 1, 2, and 7, 8 to have the same variable. Maksudnya here, I copy, okay, it will be the same as here. The difference is only, oh, no. Okay, the difference is either you do mother wolf or battle leaf. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So group 1, 2, 7, 8, please, okay, check, okay, what are the temperature you will choose, okay, because group 1 and group 7, we're going to run under the same temperature, okay, sama temperature dia, except that 1, 2 using mother wolf, 7, 8 using battle leaf. Boleh faham? Okay, this is just an example because we don't know yet what solvent are you going to use. Okay, this is not the fixed temperature, but you discuss okay, which solvent you are going to use, and then you will fix this temperature. So for the time, okay, you fix the times. Okay, here I fix your time as 120 minutes. It means 2 hours of extraction. Okay, and then your solvent is is either ethanol, methanol. You fix it. So do you understand this one? Group 1, 2, 7, 8.
Understood.
All right. Next is group 3, 4, 9, 10. So group 3, 4, 9, 10 is the same also. But here group 3, 4, 9, 10, your variables, that is your control, is your extraction time. Get it? So your solvent, okay. Let's say here group 1, 2 here this group using ethanol. So it means here you also going to use ethanol. But your variable here is your extraction time. So it means that you're going to have a fixed temperature here. Okay? But what is your temperature here depends on here first. Okay? Group 1, 2, 7, 8. Okay? Can you inform me? Okay? Before the test, before the lab. Okay? What will be your temperature here? Then let's say this one, right? 60, 80, 70, 90. So I will just choose one temperature here from here. Okay, maybe let's say I choose 7 ethanol 70. Maybe I choose, let's say I choose 80. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so here you vary the extraction time. Your temperature will be 80. Okay, and your solvent type will be ethanol. Do you understand that? Same with group 3, 4, I think here 9 and 10. It's just that you change your what do you call it? Change your raw material from butterwork to metal leaf. So boleh faham ke group 3, 4, 9, 10?
Yes, Doctor.
Okay.
Hello, Doctor.
Eh?
Hello, Doctor.
Yes.
I'm from group 4. I would like to inform the Doctor that because our group will conduct the experiment first, so we don't know the temperature.
Okay, group 4. Yang siapa yang buat dulu next week? Group 4, 6 and 10, right? It
Yeah.
means that 4 and 10 involve temperature. So, most probably it's either ethanol or methanol. Okay? So, let's say we choose, I don't know what is available actually. Okay, let's say we choose ethanol. Let's say ethanol, if ethanol, so group 1 and 2, can you find out what is the temperature that we can use? For chocolate extraction, can we use temperature below the boiling point? Anybody knows?
What is your question again, Doctor?
Okay. For chocolate experiment, okay, extraction, okay, can we use extraction temperature below the boiling point of the solvent temperature? Okay, group 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, that's for you to find out, okay? So you have to inform me by tomorrow, okay? What are the temperatures that you want to choose? Okay, dia mesti sama Okay, one, two. Let's say kalau ethanol, berapa temperature kamu choose sini? Kalau methanol, berapa temperature kamu choose? Okay, if ethyl acetate, berapa temperature kamu choose? Okay, then I will see first from these 4 temperature, then I will pick one temperature and ask the other group, that is group 3, 4, and 9, 10, what are going to be their fixed temperature. Boleh faham tak? Can you understand? Group 4, is it okay?
Okay.
Alright, okay. This is just example bukannya 80 it's not 80 it's just example, okay. That's why I put it in red color. So we wait for from group 1, 2, and 7, 8, okay. What temperature, okay. Please list down, okay. Let's say you put ethanol, so what are the temperatures you choose, okay. If available is methanol, what are the temperature you're going to run your experiment? And if it's ethyl, what are the temperatures? So it means that you already get ready, okay? If you go to the lab, let's say the lab assistant said, okay, I only have ethyl acetate, then you know that these are the temperatures that you're going to use, okay? You just get ready, okay? Because I don't know yet what are the solvents that are available. So for group 3, 4, and 9, 10, okay, I think confirm kan? So what is your variable here is your extraction time. So your extraction time will be 30 minutes, 6 minutes, and the other group is 90 minutes, 120 minutes. Okay? So what is fixed is your solvent, okay, and temperature. Boleh faham? Same, okay, goes to this group 9 and 10. Boleh faham tak? Do you understand? Because in this table, it shows that if your group is only like 2 groups, that is your extraction temperature will be your variables. Okay, another groups, 2 groups, extraction time will be your variables, and another group will be solvent type will be your variables, but the other variables will be fixed. Boleh faham? Because you only have 3 variables here, it means temperature, you want to see, extraction time, and solvent time, and solvent type. So if your variable is your solvent type, it means your extraction time and extraction temperature will be fixed. Okay? Maksudnya kalau solvent berubah, extraction time and temperature fix lah. Kalau temperature berubah, extraction time dengan solvent fix. Okay, that's because you want to see each effect of this variable. Let's say you want to see the effect of temperature on this extraction, so you must fix to the variables of time and solvent. Then only you can see how the temperature affects your extraction. Boleh faham kan? So I go on to group 5 and 6, and I think the last one here is 11 and 12. Okay, you're going to do the same thing here like the other group, but it's just that your variable here will be your solvent type. So for your solvent type, you're going to use only 2 solvent. Okay, I put it here, 2 solvent. Okay. Solvent number 1, let's say what is available is ethanol and methanol. So you need to use ethanol and methanol. Okay, we don't know what are available here. Okay, I just put it here. Ethanol or methanol. Okay, I don't know what available. The second solvent will be maybe ethyl acetate, ethanol, or methanol ethyl acetate. It depends. Okay, and here your temperature will be fixed. Okay, let's say this one, same as the other group, same as this extraction time group. So your fixed variable will be your temperature. And your extraction time, okay, I choose it 120 minutes here, okay, for this one, this group 5, 6, 11, 12. Okay, so all the groups, okay, need to do analysis. Let's say group 1, you do the chromatography and yield analysis. And group 2, you do also chromatography. You can do this one also. I think it's either because you have different temperature. So it's either you use chromatography or FTIR. So, so it's either you use chromatography or FTIR, this one. So, and the second analysis is every group have to do the yield. Okay, you cari yield. So, ini sama ya tadi. FTIR or yield. Ini pun sama. Okay. Okay, yang group 7, 8, 9, 10 is the same, okay, as this here. Sama, okay? It's just that you use better leaf. So, for the ratio, there must be a ratio, right, between the plant and the solvent, okay? What ratio you must put, this is what you guys has to decide and find out. But all the groups, okay, 1 until 12 must use the same plant to solvent ratio. Can you guys inform me? I think Alia later, okay, you decide and you have a discussion with all of them, okay, regarding this plant solvent, okay, and then you inform me. Any other questions? I think I have explained everything. The soalan?
Total, I would like to ask about the chromatography. Is it we use the HPLC or?
If not mistaken, this one you have to point out. If not mistaken, we only have GC.
GC.
Yeah. If not mistaken lah. But you find out from the lab assistant what chromatography, whether we have HPLC, GC or apa yang lain-lain the type of FTA. If you cannot do chromatography, then all of you need to do FTIR. So you guys choose whether you want to use chromatography or FTIR. Okay? Please find out. Okay? But all group, okay, must be the same. It's either chromatography or FTIR. Okay? Any other question? So please group 1, 2 and 7, 8 decide what temperature here. Then I only can inform group the other 3, 4 and 9, 10 what temperature they're going to use. And also here what temperature they're going to use. And if you know what is the solvent, then we can do what type of solvent here. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, so if no more question, then I think it will be until here or class. Alia, attendance dah ready ke? So I'm going to share this document, okay, in the WhatsApp group. So it means that next week, group 4, 6, 10 dulu, and then after that, 7, 9, 11. Okay? I highlighted here, green color, 4, 6, 10, 6. So you need to know your solvent. Group 4, you need to know your temperature here. You don't know yet. You have the time. Okay, the solvent, we don't know yet what solvent. And 10 is the same as 4. Okay? So if you don't have any questions, we stop till here.
Dokter,
Okay, yes, go ahead.
untuk yang resubmission for the revised OEL proposal kan, perlu hantar dalam PDF jak kah?
Revised proposal, you have to send a new revised proposal. You have to upload to where? To the ELIP.
ELIP.
Kamu tanya tadi apa?
Perlu hantar dalam PDF jak kah atau kami perlu buat presentation baru?
Oh, tak perlu hantar presentation baru. Just the PDF you apa tu? You make the correction there.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright.
I think more or the less you guys have your proposal and you have your all the parameters there. But I think except for I don't remember group mana ya. Group, is it group 2 ke? I don't remember which group. But I think group 2 you have to look 1 or 2. You have to look at your proposal because you are, if not mistaken, you are suggesting for apa tu? Polysaccharide ke apa, something like that. I don't remember. Which group? Okay, that polysaccharide apa you want to test for polysaccharide is totally out of the objective of this experiment. Okay. So yang lain ada lagi soalan? So you can contact me, okay, through we have a WhatsApp group. You can contact me if you have any question there or if you have any, especially group 1 and 2, okay, you can put all the information there in the WhatsApp so that you can share with everyone. Is Alia here? So that's the attendance from the Google form. Alia already pasted there. So if no more questions, okay, make sure you log into the attendance and you may leave. Okay, everyone, have a nice weekend and thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. See you next week.
Thanks.